Welcome. If you want to enter one-hand mode in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now, let's go here for the advanced features, scroll down and click on the one-handed mode. Click on the switcher to activate this mode. And as you can see, currently we got two ways to enter. We got the gesture. So there's the first way how to enter the one-hand mode. And if you want to get it on the left side, you have to click on this arrow right here. And as you can see right now, we are able to work on this device with one hand. If you want to exit, click on the arrow outside. And if you can make this gesture, you can switch for the button. It's simple, so double tap and this mode is also activated. So here we can also try to adjust the size of our mode. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.